Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart on the 6th of May 2018. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is the dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week, based on the monthly chart, that the odds were that the dollar is most likely to continue moving to the upside. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. Monday, the market moved to the upside, making the odds most likely that it will continue moving to the upside. On Tuesday, the market continued moving up into this supply zone. On Wednesday, we actually closed above the supply zone, making the odds greater on a continuation of the move to the upside. On Thursday, the market actually sold off, and on Friday the market actually moved to the upside and then sold off, but we're still in this area of supply that may potentially become demand. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? Based on this time frame, at the moment the direction's pointing to the downside, so we may have a move down to demand. On the other hand, if we hold this demand zone that was once supply, we may move up to the supply zone above. And let's take a look at how the market looks on the larger time frames. So if we take a look at the weekly chart, you can see that we went above and closed above the base, and last week we continued moving to the upside. So it's most likely that we'll continue moving into this supply zone here. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, as we've said in previous weeks, that the odds are most likely that this will move up into the supply zone. We're still in a downward moving market, so the market may turn around here to the downside. It may move into the zone and turn to the downside, which would mean a potential continuation of the move to the downside. Or if we are able to go above and close above this area here of supply, then that makes the dollar look a bit more on the bullish side. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. What I'd like to do now is point your attention to a free webinar that's happening this week on May the 8th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll leave a link below this video, whether you're watching on my YouTube channel or my blog, where you can sign up for this free event. During this webinar, you will understand why you might not be getting the results you want from your trading. We'll take a more in-depth view of supply and demand, and we'll use our understanding of supply and demand to analyze the live markets in real time with a view to uncovering potential trading opportunities that are setting up right now. So I look forward to seeing you on this live webinar. That's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.